So here's Twinkly app, quite interested. And then let's just install this and see how it looks like. 28,000 ratings. The companion app for Twinkly is a smart light decoration system to make your Christmas unforgettable. It is the evolution of classic Christmas lights and a true innovation in how you light up your tree. It features smart design that gives you the ability to personalize your lightning effects for an even greater experience. Just connect our Wi-Fi and you will be playing with your lights in a matter of seconds. It's really good ratings. Actually, seems like legitimate reviews, not some scammy chatbot reviews. And then a gallery of advanced effects which you can just apply right from your phone. It's pretty cool. Just open up the app, and then you can just create an account. This app is available in many countries, so that's why you see some things in Danish. And then you just obviously need to connect the device, either Plus, Generation 2 Twinkly Music, Twinkly Squares. You can also connect with Apple HomeKit, and then you can just start using the app just as an example. And then you can just compile effects, and then you can allow notifications, and then then you can just press apply. And you just tap apply button. So all types of effects which you can apply to your lights, Christmas lights. Then also maybe you can select music. So and then this way you can really stand out to your neighbors and create something really, really amazing. So that's kind of cool. And then you can see like here, and then what's new today. So here you can just have that. Then all of the things, and then you can have all the devices. Easily add a device in top left. So that's basically what it works.